Beginners only. So I want to show you how to make your audio better for beginners. From sounding like this to sounding like this. No plugins, no microphone, no special filters. All you need to do is work on the things that are built in Premiere Pro. And I'm going to show you how to do it in 58 seconds. I don't want to make it 60, so it sounds like 1 minute. I just want to make it 58 seconds. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's hit right to the timer. I said 58, right? So let's make it 60.
So of course, firstly, you're going to create a new project and you're going to name the project Better Audio. Then you press OK. Once it has opened, so this is the clip I just made. Now I'm going to drag it and drop it here. And of course, drag it to your normal timeline. So this is how it is. I want to go straight to the point where I said from sounding like this to sounding like this.
To sounding like this.
I'm going to divide the two clips into two. This is the one I'm going to work on and this is going to be original. Go to Windows and go to Audio Track Meter. The next thing I want to do is to check out which audio is this, audio 2, right? So I'm just going to press this drop down and go to audio 2. Okay, so I'm just going to have to reduce the little background noise and then I'm going to go to noise. I'll click on this next one and then go to the special. In special, I'm going to go to mastering. Now this is what we'll have. Without mastering,
I don't want to make it 60, so it sounds like 1 minute. I just want to make it 50.
But I feel like the noise is way too much, that little sharp noise. So I'm going to reduce the exciter amount to say 29.
Special filters. All you need to.
You can increase the channel volume, and then the channel volume you can make the left 5 and then make the right 5. So I'm just going to combine them together, and you are going to hear the difference between the both of them.
Sounding like this to sounding like this. No plugins, no microphone.
So this is what we'll have. So it's going to cancel all the background noises you have and it's going to be a whole lot beautiful. So if you've enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I don't know, I think I passed the 58 seconds mark. All right, if you love the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, I'm leaving. I'm rushing. Bye.